The Global Biodiversity Framework presents us with an enormously important framework or plan for action. And one of the areas that has attracted most attention by the public and in the political and diplomatic arena is this vision of protecting 30% of the land and ocean. And we're starting to see that flow through into the discussions and decisions that are being taken at the national level by governments. An increasing number of governments are moving to expand marine protected areas, to improve the level of protection, and also to improve the way in which those areas are managed so that they're more effective from a conservation perspective, but also, we hope, more equitable from a social perspective. Meeting that target presents us with an enormous challenge. We need to nearly quadruple the extent of marine protected areas by the end of this decade. China played an essential role in the adoption of the Global Biodiversity Framework in that it held the presidency of the Convention on Biological Diversity at the time. There are opportunities for China to accelerate progress towards 30 by 30 by taking action within its own territory, including in the marine environment, but also in cooperation with other countries in places like Antarctica by supporting the establishment of marine protected areas in the Southern Ocean, and also by collaborating with other countries in the context of the High Seas Treaty. More broadly, in terms of the implementation of the Global Biodiversity Framework overall, China has an enormously influential role to play as a country with significant diplomatic influence and significant interests in key economic and natural resource sectors around the world. We certainly recognize the important role that China has to play between now and 2030, so that hopefully we will see the targets of the Global Biodiversity Framework met in full.